Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could download your Google Photos onto your computer. Now, as you can see on my screen here at the moment, this is all of my Google Photos that I have saved. And I don't have too many photos actually saved in here, but you might have hundreds or even thousands of photos in here. And that's absolutely fine. We can still download all of them in just a few easy steps. So what you need to do is once you're inside of Google Photos here, we need to click our profile icon in the top right and come over to manage your Google account. From the left-hand side, we need to select Data and Privacy, and then we need to scroll all the way down the page until we come to the Data Services section. So as you can see here, it says Data from Apps and Services you use. We just need to select this Apps and Services one and click here, and then scroll down once more until we find the Photos application. So as you can see, I currently have 29 photos within my Google Photos. And we can download all of these very easily just by clicking this download button here, and then this is going to create a new export. So we're just going to scroll down the list and ensure you have Google Photos checked. Then go ahead and press continue. Now you can choose where you want this destination file to be sent to. I'm just going to keep it as a download link via email. But if you wanted this file to be directly uploaded to your Google Drive or something like Dropbox, you can absolutely do that. But like I said, I'm just going to have this emailed to me via a download link. And then if we come down to frequency, you need to select export once. Come down once again to the file type, and you need to ensure this is set to .zip. And then for the file size, we're just going to increase this to 4 gigabytes, and then come down and select create export. Now you'll need to wait for Google to create the export of your data. Now this could really take minutes, hours, or days depending on the amount of photos you have to download. And once this export's finished, this will be emailed directly to our email accounts. Obviously, if you selected something else like upload to your drive, then you'll be able to find the downloaded file there. So my email's just come through saying that my Google data is ready to download. So all you need to do is come over to this email and select download your files. You will need to re-enter your password to log back in. And then as you can see, I have my exported file here. And we can just go ahead and click this download button. Once your file is downloaded, we can simply head over to our File Explorer, and then this is going to be located within our Downloads folder. And now as you can see, we have this .zip file at the top here. So we're just going to right click on this, come over to Extract All, and then select the folder where you want these photos to be extracted to. I'm just going to go ahead and choose my desktop, click on Select Folder, and then go ahead and select Extract. Now as you can see over on my desktop here, I have this new folder called Takeout. So if I just double click on this, we can now see that we have all of our photos inside of here. They are organized by the date when the photo was taken. So we have all of our photos from 2019, 20, 21, 22, and so forth. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you download your Google Photos onto your computer. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.